In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a view on Clickup in just 5 minutes. Clickup is a versatile project management tool that helps teams manage tasks and projects efficiently. Whether you're organizing everything from your daily routine to complex projects, managing the views in Clickup can dramatically improve your workflow. Now let's dive into how you can set up and save your view effortlessly. The first thing you'll need to do is open up Clickup, the all-in-one app for your work needs. To get started, head over to Clickup's website using your preferred web browser. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's quite straightforward and well worth exploring given the array of features it offers to simplify your work processes. Next, when you are on the Clickup login page, you will be prompted to enter your email. This will be the email associated with your Clickup account. Type in your email address with care to ensure you don't have to deal with any login hiccups. Following that, you'll be asked to enter your password. As always, ensure your password is secure and something that you won't easily forget. If necessary, use a password manager to keep track of this. It's an essential step in safeguarding your workflow information. Once you've entered your login credentials, go ahead and hit the login button. This will take you straight into your Clickup dashboard where all the magic happens. Now within your dashboard, navigate to the home screen. This is often the starting point for accessing different sections of your workspace. In your home area, you'll locate the NANS workspace, which is the workspace you've got set up for managing your tasks. It's important to select the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple teams or projects. Following this, your attention should be fixed on selecting the space that you wish to customize. In the Clickup structure, spaces are the organizing elements that allow you to group folders and lists that share something in common. By clicking on a space, you'll drill down into more specific areas of work stored within that category. Now that you are inside your space, it is time to look at the tasks. Each task in your space may already have several details and subtasks associated with it. But before you get too granular with task details, ensure that the task view is the one that fits your needs. Click on the task within your space to see more specific details or tasks that need your attention. Once you're viewing the particular task, take a moment to locate and click on the Customize option. Customizing your task layout allows you to configure what's visible and how your task data is displayed. Think of this as tailoring the view to display the most pertinent information, perfect for keeping you focused on what really matters without unnecessary distractions. Now, in this customized setting, there is a crucial step you don't want to miss: utilizing the autosave feature for your views. Look for the option that says autosave for me and click on it. This fantastic feature ensures that whatever layout or view you just customized will automatically save. You won't have to worry about losing your personalized setups, which saves time and reduces frustration as you seamlessly navigate between tasks. By auto-saving your preferences, the current view you're working with will be your default next time you jump back into this part of your workflow, preserving all the tweaks and custom settings you've adjusted to suit your viewing preference. This brings a level of continuity and personalization to your project management within Clickup. Throughout this process, remember that going back to change these saved views is always an option. The flexibility of Clickup's interface means you can continually adapt and optimize your working environments as your project demands or personal preferences evolve. This adaptability is what makes Clickup such a powerful tool in helping you organize and streamline your workload. To wrap up, securing your workspace view with the autosave feature on Clickup is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your project management experience. By customizing your dashboards and task layouts and autosaving these views, you establish an efficient workflow that aligns precisely with your goals and preferences. This approach can truly transform the way you manage projects, making it easier to concentrate on accomplishing your tasks rather than worrying about organizational details. And there you have it. Saving a view on Clickup within minutes doesn't have to be daunting. By following these steps, you're well on your way to mastering your digital workspace. Feel free to watch this video again if you need a refresher on the steps, and make sure to check out Clickup's full range of features for even more productivity boosts. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.